Kia ora, future food growers. Welcome back to Grow Your Own Food. In our last episode, we became sun detectives, mapping out the best spots in our gardens or balconies. But what if those sunny spots are a little small? Or we don't even have a traditional garden bed? Well, I'm here to tell you, no big garden, no problem. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of container gardening and raised beds. You don't need acres of land to grow your own delicious Kai, just a bit of ingenuity and the right setup. We'll explore how to create thriving growing spaces, big or small, that are perfect for your homegrown harvest. Let's get stuck in. First up, let's talk about the humble pot. Containers come in all shapes, sizes, and materials, each with their own pros and cons. Terracotta pots. They look fantastic, breathe well, and are great for plants that like well-drained soil. But they can dry out quickly, especially in our hot Kiwi summers, and they're heavy. Plastic pots, lightweight, portable, and they retain moisture beautifully, meaning less frequent watering. Just make sure they're UV stabilized so they don't get brittle in the sun. Grow bags. These fabric pots are amazing. They allow for air pruning of roots, which encourages a healthier, more fibrous root system. They also offer excellent drainage and are super lightweight when empty. Perfect for potatoes or large tomatoes. And my favorite, upcycled items. Think old tires. Cleaned thoroughly, sturdy buckets, wine barrels cut in half, or even old wooden crates. Get creative. No matter what you choose, there are two crucial rules. Drainage holes are non-negotiable. Without them, your plant roots will sit in soggy water, leading to root rot. If your chosen container doesn't have them, you'll need to drill some yourself. Size matters. A tiny pot won't support a big tomato plant. Match your container size to the mature size of the plant you want to grow. Small herbs might be happy in a 15 to 20 centimeters pot, but a courgette needs something much larger, like 40 to 50 centimeters across. Now, if you've got a bit more space or simply want to create a more organized garden, raised beds are your best friend. They offer so many benefits. Better drainage, no more waterlogged plants, superior soil control. You get to create the perfect soil blend, free from compaction and weeds from your existing garden. Easier on the back, less bending and kneeling, making gardening more accessible. Warmer soil. The soil in raised beds warms up faster in spring, giving you a head start on the growing season. For construction, you can use untreated timber, corrugated iron, stone, or even large composite blocks. Aim for a depth of at least 30 centimeters, that's about a foot, to give roots plenty of room. And for those truly tiny spaces, don't forget vertical gardening. Old pallets, hanging shoe organizers, or purpose-built stackable planters can turn a small wall into a productive garden. Every little bit of space can be used. So you've chosen your container or built your raised bed. What do you fill it with? For pots and planters, always use a good quality potting mix. This is specially formulated to be light, provide good drainage, and retain moisture, which is exactly what container plants need. Regular garden soil is too dense for pot and will compact, suffocating roots. For raised beds you want to blend, start with some good quality garden soil, then mix in plenty of rich compost and maybe some well-rotted aged manure. This creates a fertile, well-draining environment for your plants to thrive. For this episode's sticky elements, I challenge you to an upcycle challenge. Have a look around your home or shed. Can you find something that could be repurposed into a planter? An old laundry basket? A sturdy bucket? Get creative. Just remember the most important step. Drill those drainage holes. Send us photos of your upcycled creations. Now you've got your container creations and your raised bed bliss ready to go. So what goes into these fabulous growing spaces? Well, that's where the real magic begins. Join us next time for From Tiny Seeds to Thriving Seedlings, where we'll show you how to start your plants from scratch. If you love this episode, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs a little growing inspiration, and subscribe so you don't miss a single delicious episode. Kai, Kai, Anna.